down at the spot where we usually hear the tuies, but didn't seem to be any today. There's a lot of berries fruiting at the moment, so no doubt they're off feeding off all that sort of stuff. They like the flower of a specific tree as well. But I don't know if that tree is flowering right now. Seeing the odd wood pigeon. They're not rare, but they're certainly not common. Great big native pigeon. There's been reports that there was some kaka, which are a sort of medium-sized green parrot that's native to New Zealand. There's apparently been some at the dog park, but we haven't been lucky enough to see them. Oh no, what's Angus rolling in? Hey, what are you rolling in? Can't be anything too much. Otherwise he'd be still rolling. Only enjoying the long grass. They saw a dog. Thankfully there's a fence there so they can't go and chase said dog. This area is perfect for them. They can not really get into any trouble. And they can roam about as far as a Basset Hound cares to. Hundreds and hundreds of acorns out of the old oak tree floating around. Tempted to go and dig one out and plant it, but they get so big. I don't really have a suitable place to grow an oak tree. Angus, hey! I'm a bit wary of them drinking out of that trough. Comes off the main town supply, believe it or not. But random water sources always make me nervous for Basset tummies. And that's what I'm talking about, hundreds and hundreds of little oak seedlings all over the place. Oh good, they'll both have a sore tummy later. They've never actually gotten sick from that trough, but makes me worry. Pretty hard to stop a Basset Hound from drinking though, especially at the end of a walk. Guys ready to go? Can we go home? Dad's got to get ready for work. Come on man, let's go.